In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Final Fantasy 16 on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire Final Fantasy 16 officially on PC and how to play it. So as you might be aware, Final Fantasy 16 was officially ported from PlayStation 5 to PC. And to buy it, you can simply visit the official website at na.finalfantasyxvi.com, click on Buy Now, and you will find all the options that you have for PC. So as you can clearly see, you have Steam and Epic Games. You can choose between the Complete Edition, which has all of the expansions, DLC, and the Standard one, which just has the base game. So when you choose to purchase from either of these digital stores, you will be redirected accordingly, and for this video, I'm going to showcase Steam. But of course, if you are doing this on Epic, you will also find the option to play it. You can play the demo first, your save will be transferred over just so you can get a feel for the game. And if you want to acquire it, just add the item to your cart. The price will be displayed in your own local currency, and as you can see, it features a lot of stuff. So achievements, trading cards, HDR, you can use full controller support. The game is available in 14 supported languages, and once you acquire the game here, all that you have to do is open your Steam library and you will be able to find it there so you can play Final Fantasy 16. So go over to your Steam library, you will find Final Fantasy 16 in here, both the demo and the normal title, and you just have to click play. You click play on any of these two, the game will open and you are good to go. As you can see, I already played the demo, so save data is going to be transferred and I'll be able to start right away. It is super simple to do, and you will be able to play through the entirety of the game here. Keep in mind that the game is entirely single player, so there will be no way to access multiplayer functionalities. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Final Fantasy 16 on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.